Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off Writefull in Overleaf. So, to disable Writefull in Overleaf, either by toggling its internal switch or by managing your browser extension, I will show you this one which we can do in Overleaf. So it's really straightforward. Now look for the Writefull icon, usually a small circle or W. So you will see here under the code editor, so doesn't matter, in this toolbox here on the left side where you edit text, you will see on the right at the end, you will see this toggle Writefull toolbar or search file. So straightforward, right here you see toggle Writefull toolbar, click on that, you see here a new toolbar shows up. So if you press again, you will see here, would you like to hide Writefull suggestions too? So if you click yes, you will hide it. And yeah, this is how you switch it off. The underlines should disappear immediately. And like that, you turn off Writefull. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next